Ever wished sharing your Halifax account was easier? Today, we'll show you how to order a second card directly through the Halifax app, making life simpler for you and your trusted additional cardholder. First, unlock your phone and open the Halifax mobile banking app. Once logged in, tap the cards icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see it, explore the menu options. It might be under More or Account Services. Now, look for Manage Cards in the options, select Order Additional Card, or something similar like Add Cardholder. Before proceeding, the app will likely display eligibility requirements. Generally, the additional cardholder needs to be over 13 years old and have a close relationship with you. Ensure they meet the criteria. Next, carefully enter the details of your additional cardholder. This usually includes their full legal name and date of birth. Double-check everything for accuracy. You'll need to read and agree to the terms and conditions for adding an additional cardholder. Take your time to understand the responsibilities and liabilities involved. After agreeing, confirm your order. You should receive an on-screen confirmation and often an email or SMS confirmation as well. The new card will typically arrive within 57 business days. Remember to activate the card upon arrival following the instructions provided. A fantastic feature is the ability to set spending limits or restrictions for the additional card. Explore the Manage Cards section to customize their access and keep control of your finances. And that's it. Enjoy the convenience of sharing your Halifax account with your trusted cardholder.